In the biggest city of South America, we have a very interesting stop, an experience we have long wished for. To contrast the megacity, we head to lonely beaches. Come along as we continue our way through Brazil. We are Andrea and Mike from Xtremes. Since 2018, we have been living and traveling full-time in our Mercedes-Benz Trucks expedition truck. Along with our daughter Zoe, we're on an adventure across South America. Come along and follow us as we explore this incredible continent. While camping near the beach, we get woken up by monkeys. It's low season, so we're able to park up in a dead-end road and they're literally only a few steps away from the beach. We spend a few days enjoying the nice weather, and Zoe gets to dip her little feet in the ocean for the very first time. Slow days are good. Now that we are traveling as a family, we stay in places longer than we did before. Not all the time, but sometimes it's good not to drive and have time for other things. Like catching up on some chores in the truck, editing photos, cutting videos like this one, and of course showing Zoe the world. After soaking up the sun, we head inland up the mountain range to Brazil's largest city, São Paulo. Cities of this size are usually a bit tricky for us. There's not a whole lot of camping infrastructure, and we don't feel good about camping somewhere in the street. But we have an important event coming up. We got invited to visit the production plant of Mercedes-Benz Trucks and engines. How cool is it to get the chance to get an insight into how trucks like ours are assembled? After this interesting day in São Paulo, we return to the coast. The coast of Ubatuba is known for its pristine beaches. The coastal road offers stunning views, but not many places to stop to enjoy the view. Our next stop is a famous little town called Paraty. We arrive just before sunset and stroll through the town with the last light of the day. The historic center of Paraty is one of Brazil's best preserved coastal towns. We are able to park very close to the town center and head out right after sunrise to see more of the town. In the late 17th century, Paraty was one of the endpoints of the gold route, along which gold was shipped to Europe. Its port served as an entry point for tools and African slaves sent to work in the mines. Today, Paraty is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and its economy relies on tourism. Zoe misses out on most of it as she is asleep on Mike's shoulders. Although parking up so close to the old town was very practical, the night there was anything else but quiet. So after our visit, we decide to leave instead of spending another night in the noisy car park. Other travelers had recommended us a small beach not too far away. Just before arriving on the sand, the road keeps getting more and more narrow, but we fit just fine with our truck. Taking advantage of our 4x4, we drive away from the crowds to the side of the beach where there are barely any people. That's the beauty of having our home with us at all times. In places like these that get some visitors during the day, we can just stay once they all head home. We can enjoy the sunset, make dinner and sit in the warm sand as the day comes to an end. We don't need to worry about driving home or to a hotel. And this place is so beautiful that we decide to stay for a couple of nights. Having a child can mean not sleeping much, but the fact that Zoe wakes us up early every morning means that we get to enjoy more sunrises. And for me personally, sunrises are the part of the day which I enjoy most. The quiet, the low light, the crisp air, time seems to stand still just before the day starts. And even though we live on the road and have no schedules, we do have to be in some places sometimes, so we say goodbye to the beautiful beach and start heading inland once again. Find out where we are heading in the next video.
Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.